pag ganun sa kwarto?
Shut up. What do we put that right there? What? Squads really? What? How is that so hard? That is not one quadrillion. Let me get this. Boom. Boom. When I get umbrella boom.
Oo, ganun na. Abang na. At baka ako mali.
Put this over here. It's actually just a new video. I just wanna know what is in another way, because this won't be like enough. You will be enough, yeah. I just wanna
Uy,
get
ano doon?
I just wanna awaken everything like the moon. Like the moon.
O din dun.
I want you to be like the moon. You will be with a billion dollars. I wanted to be a billion dollars. Wait, what's wrong? There's nothing to do more. Don't cry because Hindi ko alam.
Itim na eh. Dali, tatakalin mo.
No, no! It's like about I'm a Filipino.
Tingnan mo mga tao doon.
I've been completely worn out. Okay. Wow, there we go. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know what? These are actually better than that. Let me get you to my throne real quick. You're gonna want to throw with Mr. We'll throw it. And then we'll double the throw it. Oh my god, it's already trolling.
Uy, ala, naku.
That's gonna be it for now. I'm just playing this game. And watch out for the student doors. Quadra! Wait lang. Tingnan mo kung may tao pa.
Eh, ikaw nga magtingin. Ano ka ba?
Ayoko ako.
Eh, ikaw, eh, bahay ninyo ito eh. Bilis! Tingnan mo lang, madali, dalhin mo yan. Ano? Sabi mo, mag-tutor na ako. Bilis! Bilis at ang principal ay naghihintay na naman.
Purchase this. Building. And upgrade. Oh yeah, bro. Gangsta from Canada, bro.
Nadine, lasing na nga,
Ikaw na nga.
Wala na ko.
Naglikli ng house na aking mga kuya.
Tatawag ako sa principal na.
Naglikli nga ng house na aking mga kuya.
Pwede mo i-claim yun mga ba? Ikinaglalakad pa kung doon. Tingnan mo lang eh. Ayan, ganyan. Habang naglalakad. Yun.
Wala.
Go eh. Full ka?
Mm-mm. That's gonna be it for now.